So at Sigicom, we develop our products in consultation with the market, looking to kind of address the needs and the requirements that our clients are talking to us about. And the number one challenge that they face with noise, as it was with vibration, was the need for something which is simple and robust to deploy. So when we're talking about noise with regard to simple and robust deployment, you want something which is going to run for a long time off its internal batteries, removing the need for large leisure batteries and mains power. You want something which is going to be weatherproof. You want something which is going to remove points of failure. So we're talking about data cables up to microphones, and you're talking about your mains cables, which can all fail and cause the unit to go down on site. And you want it to be remotely configurable. But obviously you want that to be a class 1 sensor, which delivers parameters such as your percentiles alongside your LEQ and your Lmax values. Now the C50 has been designed to do all of this. You know, you've got an astonishing 6-week or more than 6-week battery life that it will run from, but it's all in this compact unit, so you don't have your preamp extension cables, you don't have kind of requirement for external batteries, and it can all be controlled through INFRA remotely. I mean, it's simple to set up, it's simple to mount, it's as simple as pushing 2 buttons, and then you can walk away, and everything else can be done from the comfort of your office.